This is Isaac Clark in the 9 o'clock Computer Science 110 class, and this is Chapter 5, Exercise 8. So here we're importing a turtle, opening a window, background, turtle, pen size, and speed. Then we have some data right here that we're going to graph. We're defining a function, draw a bar, with height and width as the arguments. And we're going to begin the fill here. And then this is the conditional statement for the color fill. See if it's over, the height is over or equal to 200, it'll fill red. And if it's over 100 but less than 200, it'll be yellow. And the rest are going to be green. So first it's going to go left, forward, up the bar, or down the bar. And if it goes down the bar, then it's going to pick the pen up, and since it's facing upwards, it's going to go back, so further down, and write the number, or the data number. Then it'll go forwards, back, and put the pen down, so it's back where it would have been before it wrote the thing. And if it's not, then it's just going to write the thing up there. Then it'll finish the bar up. It'll put the pen, or it'll end the fill, and that'll be one bar. And then for I in each data point, it's going to go through and draw the bar. And the width of each bar is 40, and the height is for each bar is each data point.